Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to take a look at your battle pass. So let's get started. Our second tab will say battle pass. In our battle pass, we just have to go into bonus rewards. Now, before you go into bonus rewards, remember in battle pass rewards, these will be your base rewards. Just remember to claim everything and then you will not have any problems when it comes to bonus rewards. Anyways, let's just move on to bonus rewards. And again, what I did was claim page 1, page 2, and right now, page 3 has become available, so has page number 4 and page number 5. Yes, they say locked, but that's okay. It means we have to claim stuff from here in order to unlock the other pages. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and claim everything from here. Now, in order to do this, you should be by level 200. And obviously, if you're level 200, you have enough battle stars. So at this point, I have 300 battle stars. So let's start off claiming everything from here. So let's start off with this one. We're going to go ahead. We can claim or equipped or anything. We can change it later on as well. Same goes with this guy. We can go ahead, claim or equipped. Again, you guys can change the styles later on. Don't worry about it. We're just going to get this. And remember, once we get everything from here, we're going to be able to go ahead and just move on to page number 4 and then number 5. Claim. And as you guys can see, page number 4 has become unlocked. Page number 5, it's still locked. That's because he wants us to claim everything from here in order to unlock page 5. So let's go ahead and claim everything from here. Let's just get that. We're going to get this as well. Claim. And again, no matter if you guys equipped or claimed, same thing. You guys can go to your skins and just change up the style whenever you want. We're going to claim this as well. And if you guys can't claim something from bonus rewards, again, if you're missing base rewards, just go back and claim everything so you won't have any problems. As you guys can see, page number 5 has become fully unlocked. So I can go ahead and claim everything from page number 5. If you guys have no idea how to level up this quick, well, I made a video about that, so make sure to check that out in my channel. And it doesn't require you to play a ton because we all have limited time to play, and that's why I made that video. This would be the last skin, and here we go. So gold, I mean, for me, it's not my favorite. I kind of like this a little bit more, but hey, now we have everything from the battle pass. We are completely done with bonus rewards. We can just move on to this that's coming soon, but that's later on. At this point, we can always go into our skins, just edit the style to whatever we want. So we can make it this, this, or this. It depends what you guys personally want. However, as of now, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.